我是杨刚。
嘉润。
Devotion。
我们来到，很荣幸可以来到。
Shen Hai means Deep Ocean aims to establish a training center in China for emerging leaders and those with limited access to education and personal development opportunities. Through our unique progress, we develop their sense of responsibility, creativity, team working, problem solving, reflective practice, communication, and self-expression, independent action.
综合素质培养的一种培训课程。
To be a bridge between the potential of students and the students in Scotland.
说到培训中心，我想这是每县，因为在
We want to set up an exchange so that young people from Scotland and from China can visit each other's country and experience each other's culture, and also to work with young people from another country. It also gives them a chance to see how other people live, and this will help them to cherish their own country and way of living with people who have limited access to education, and gives them opportunities and help them develop skills.
深海计划，我们的培训中心，不光有。
Pure Media UK came to China carry out the Ignite project, a group which have developed by 11 incredible Scottish young workers and Chinese volunteers. They overcome language and cultural barriers, experience varied challenges, complete a number of projects successfully, give many fantastic performances. It opened a new world to the Chinese young people.
说到教育呢，我们都
With the following cooperation from different schools and the community, we realized the power of Ignite from stories from the volunteers and the participants. That combined with the Chinese students' way of thinking and the needs of Chinese young people, we decided to build the Deep Ocean Training Center. Just as the name shows, we believe it will be one of the most exciting places. We will build a new generation of leaders with the boundaries to see beyond their boundaries.
那么一个人的成长，他需要。
So we want to further raising 10,000 pounds to support this work. We aim to rent a building, train our volunteers, and purchase the right equipment.
Well, so to achieve all of this stuff and to achieve our aims, we do need all of your help.
去把握住这个机会，然后完善自己，然后去帮助身边。
Your help is like a strong breeze, filling ourselves to take this ship to distant lands of opportunity.